Today we are going to learn how to add or how to combine the like terms and unlike terms. So that means addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay na? So the problems we will solve in the exercise 12.2. Keep heading exercise 12.2 in your notebook. Right. Take your textbooks. Open the page number 239. Exercise 12.2 first question. Simplify combining like terms. Simplify combining the like terms. So like terms means same, yes, algebraic factors. Here we have to add. Combining is nothing but addition. Okay. So combining the like terms. First one, 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Here in this expression, so how many terms it has? 4 terms. Okay, we have to combine. First bring the like terms to one place. So like terms, that means same algebraic factor. In this term having b, here b and b. Bring the dot 21b. So including the sign also before the constant, that is this term before plus. So as it is, you keep this one in the front, that is plus 7b minus 20b. So here 1 is the constant, that one having negative sign, minus 32. Very good. Now, so if the terms are like terms, is it possible to add? Yes. So we can add this all like terms. So why? Because all are having the same algebraic terms. First to add these two, 21 plus 7, how much? 28. 28 minus 20b minus 32. Right. 28b minus 20b. So which one is more? 28 is more. So subtract minus 20 from 28. So you will get the 28 minus 20 is 8b minus 32. Now is it possible to subtract? So these are the different like terms. Okay, different yes, unlike term. So now you can leave this answer like this. 8b minus 32 is the answer. Okay children, similarly see the second one, minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. So what you have to do? First step is bring all the like terms front. So like terms here, first is the z. Yes, z is there. First to take the z, minus 5z and minus 15z. So this one is over. So next z square. Very good. So z square, that is having minus z square. Next plus 13z square. Last 7. Yes, z cube. It is z cube. Powers check once. So here the power is 1. The 0. Okay. So sorry, 1. Here nothing means there is power is 1. So 1 after 2. Take the power 2. Z square after the cubes. Now, so add the like terms here, minus 5 minus 15. How much? Minus 20 z. Both are negatives. So you can add and give minus only. Okay. Next z square is how many? 2. That is minus z square. Okay, minus 1z square plus 13. 13 more or minus 1 more? Plus 13 is more. From plus 13, how many z squares you have to subtract? 1. So you will get plus 12 z square. Okay, z square you write top of the z. Then z 7z cube. Okay, tell me children, is that possible to subtract? No. So that is the answer. That is minus 20z plus 12z square minus 20z. So otherwise you can write 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z also. Right. So see, third one, p minus of p minus q minus q minus q minus p. Right. So here is the plus. So these standard operations you have to remember, apply here. So this bracket considered as into, minus into. In front of p there is nothing sign, so consider as plus. Minus into plus is minus p. Again minus p into minus. How much? Yes, plus q minus q. Here similarly minus into plus minus q, minus into minus plus p. Now bring all the like terms ones place. Okay, p. So here 1p and minus p. Here 1 plus p. So 3 q's are there. Q minus q. So whenever you are writing the like terms at one place, don't leave the sign. So with along with the sign you bring that one front. Now here plus q minus p, both are cancelled. Plus q minus q. What are the remaining terms? P minus q or minus q plus p. Okay, right, children. So see, fourth one. Can you do this? Okay, this one only I will explain. To revise all, I am giving to you homework. So 3a minus 2b minus ab minus of a minus b plus ab plus 3ab minus plus b minus a. So whenever you are writing the expression, you write the expressions neatly. So 3a minus 2b minus ab minus of a minus b plus ab plus aab plus b minus a. Right. So here also simplify first. 3a minus 2b minus ab. Okay, if the terms are having the brackets like this, first you simplify. After that you combine. Here minus a, minus into minus plus b, minus into plus minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. Right. Now, so a terms are there. Yes. So bring that one front. First 3a. So is there a? Here minus a, and next only a terms take. So yes, last minus a. Next b terms take minus 2b plus b plus b. Okay, next ab terms. Here minus ab plus 3ab. So first write the like terms. If the term having a, first write all the terms a. Next term b. Next term ab. All are different terms. Okay, right. 3a minus a, how much? Minus 2a minus 2b plus 2b. That is plus 2b's are there na? Plus 2b, right? Minus ab minus 2ab plus 3ab, right? 3a minus 2a. How many a's will remain? 1a. Minus 2b plus 2b cancel. There is 0. Minus 2ab plus 3a. Plus 3 values more na? So from plus 3 subtract 2, we will get plus ab. So what is the expression finally? A plus ab. Right, children? Second question. Add 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn minus 4mn. So four terms are there. Okay. So all are separated terms. We should combine this all. Okay. Add means plus. Right. We have to add this all by using the symbol sign plus. 3mn plus. So this term is separated. So keep this one in like this. Minus 5mn plus 8mn. Okay, so there is no sign, you write as it is. Again this minus 4mn, this one keep in the bracket. Now again we have to simplify it. So how to simplify? By using the standard operations. Those are plus into minus is minus 5mn plus 8mn plus into minus 4mn. So next to see all are the like terms. Yes, mn. All the terms are like terms. See 3 minus 5. 3mn. So here how many plus terms are here like terms? 2. So write that one plus 3mn 8mn. Next minus, write once at one place, that is minus 5mn minus 4mn. Now it is easy to add. 3 plus 8, 11mn minus 5 minus 4, minus 9mn. Now plus 11 is more than minus 9. So plus 11 to how many 9mn you have to subtract? 9mn. So remaining 2mn. 2mn. Right. Okay, children. So see, next to second one you solve. Second one you solve very easy. The second one homework. So third one I am explaining here. Third one, see, minus 7mn plus 5, 12mn plus 2, 9mn minus 8, minus 2mn minus 3. Okay. So the terms are given like this. We have to add by using the sign plus. Okay. Minus 7mn plus 5. Okay. Keep this one in the bracket, plus 12mn plus 2 plus 9mn minus 8 plus minus 2mn minus 3. Right. Now simplify all these. Minus 7mn plus 5 plus into plus 12mn plus into plus 2 plus 9mn plus into minus 8. Okay. Then after plus into minus, here plus is there. See, here plus into minus, that is minus 2mn plus into minus 3. Okay, children. So you have to, whenever you are adding all the terms, keep one bracket after you simplify. By applying the standard operations, then it is easy, right? So now bring the all like terms at one place. So here mn's, how many mn's are there right here? Minus 7mn plus 12mn plus 9mn minus 2mn. Okay, so after that write the constants. Those are plus 5, plus 2, plus next to minus 8, minus 3. Now minus 7mn plus 12. So if you want, again one more step you need. Okay, so write all plus values one place. That is 12mn plus 9mn. Then minus 7mn minus 2mn. Now these all also you add plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 minus 8 to minus 3 minus 11. Now 12 plus 9, 21 mn minus 7 minus 2 minus 9mn plus 7 minus 11. How much? Very good, minus 4. Now 21 minus 9. So what is the value? Subtract 21. So 21 to 9. How much? Yes, 12mn minus 4. What is the value? 12mn minus 4. Copy them, children. Right. So next to add fifth one. So fourth one you have to do. Fourth problem you have to solve yourself. And fifth one, see, 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13, 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy comma 4xy. Okay, so how many expressions given? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 expressions are there. We have to add this all. So add by using plus sign. Okay, we have to add this all expressions. 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 plus, okay, next one, minus 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy plus 4xy. Okay, right. Now simplify this all. 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 plus 18 plus into minus minus 7x plus into minus this one you have to consider as into product minus 10y plus into plus 8xy plus 4xy. So next step is you write all the like terms at one place. Here see x, is there x terms? Right, 14x, yes, here minus 7x. Is there any x? No. Y terms, right, plus 10y minus 10y. Very good. After that xy terms, right, minus 12xy. So plus 8xy, 4xy. So write all here. So don't add there only. You write first. After that constants, minus 13 plus 18. Now you can add on. So 14x minus 7x. 14x to subtract 7x. Remaining 7x plus 10y minus 10y. Cancel. Okay. Minus 12xy plus 8 plus 4. How much? That is 12xy plus 8 plus 4 plus 12xy. So minus 13 plus 18. Very good. Plus 5. Okay. Then plus 12 minus 12. Both will cancel. So what are the remaining expression? So 7x plus 5. So is the final expression. Is it correct, children? Yes, 7x plus 5 is the correct answer. You copy this neatly in your notebook. Sixth problem you solve. Seventh problem. Now I am explaining seventh problem. 4x square y, comma minus 3xy square, comma minus 5xy square, comma 5x square y. So different terms given. We have to add these all terms. Now I am adding these terms. 4x square y, okay, plus minus 3xy square plus minus 5xy square plus 5x square y. Right. Now simplify 4x square y plus into minus minus 3x y square plus into minus minus 5x y square plus 5x square y. Now, so like terms you write first x square y. Okay, like this terms are there. X square y here. 4x square y plus 5x square y. These are the like terms. xy square, xy square, right. So these terms you write here. Minus 3xy square minus 5xy square. Okay. So unlike terms we will not add. So now add 4 plus 5, 9x square y minus 3 minus 5 minus 8xy square. So is it possible to add both? No. So you leave this one like this, 9x square y minus 8xy square. Very good. So now enter the 8th question. 8th one, see. 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5, comma minus 10 p square q square, comma 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Right. Children, this one also add. Okay. First add this one. 3p square q square plus, keep this one in bracket, minus 4pq. Okay, this is a separate term. No. So this expression is one, and this one second expression, and this one is the third expression. Sorry. So this one you write as it is 4pq plus y. So that's why I told you the first commas are there. Na? So you write bracket. You keep that one in bracket. Minus 10 p square q square plus 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Squares you write up upon the p. Okay, right. Now simplify. 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5 plus into minus. So that is minus 10p square q square plus 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Right. Now it's time to add the like terms. So here one side write all the like terms here. P square q square here, 3p square q square minus 10p square q square plus 7p square q square. Right. Next to pq's are there? Yes. Minus 4pq plus 9pq over next plus 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. Next. Now, p squares, how many p squares are there? See, plus 3 plus 7, total 10. 10p square q square minus 10p square q square. Okay, here minus 4pq2 plus 9. Plus 9 to minus 4. Subtract. Yes, 5pq plus 5, 15, 20. Then plus 10p square q square minus 10p square q square. Both you cancel. So the remaining is 5pq plus 20. 5pq plus 20 is the answer. Copy that, children. See, children, remaining are easy. So 9th to 10th, do yourself. I am giving to you that one homework. Right. Third question, enter. Subtract. First question, subtract minus 5y square from y square. Okay, so you have to read like this. Subtract minus 5y square from y square. Okay, so don't read like this. Minus 5 square from 5 square. So simply you keep minus here. Okay, so if you will do that, it is wrong. Okay, so how to read this one? Subtract minus 5y square from y square. That means y square minus, yes, minus 5y square. So like this you have to write the expression. So how to write this one? Subtract to minus 5y square. This one we have to subtract. So like this. This one already having minus. From where? From y square to. We have to subtract this one. So that why like this. First one you have to write second to that means right side. So which one given left? That one you write the first. Right? Now simplify. Y square minus into minus is plus 5y square. Now these two are the like terms. Y square plus 5y square is 6y square. Is it clear, children? Similarly, second one also say 6xy from minus 12xy. Subtract 6xy from minus 12xy. That means minus 12xy. Which one is subtracted? Minus 6xy. Then what is the answer? Very good. Minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18xy. Right. Third question, see. A minus b from a plus b. Subtract a minus b from a plus b. So which one we have to subtract? a plus b, a plus b. Right, like this expression, right? Now simplify a plus b, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, okay, b. Now a minus a plus b plus b. So like terms you write first, plus a minus a, cancel. So that is equal to 0. That's why I cancelled. Okay, plus b equal to 2b, right. Okay, so next fourth question, enter subtract a into b minus y from b into 5 minus a. Which one have to subtract? This one from this. Right, first expression, right? b into 5 minus a minus a into, which one is going to subtract it? That one you write the second expression. Which one is from which two we are subtracting? That one you write the first. Now simplify. b into 5, that is b5 or 5b, minus a, b into a is minus ba or minus ab. However you write, it is correct. ba or ab both are equal. Minus a into b, ab, minus into minus, plus a into 5, a5 or 5a. 5a you write. First constant keep front. Now write the which one? Like terms. B terms are there? No. A terms? No. Write order 5a plus 5b. How many ab's here? 2 minus ab's. That is minus 2ab. Okay children? Okay, in this one, so you have learned how to subtract the algebraic expressions. Right, like this, 5th, 6th problems you have to do. And 7th also. 5, 6, 7 and 8th question also. Okay, children? Right. Okay, children, up to now enough. So today the problems, all problems you have to solve, send in the Google form. So remaining problems we will continue in the next class. So if you have any doubts, you join in the live interaction. You can clarify your doubts. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day.